Hi guys, welcome back to another Read Aloud. Today we're going to be reading Itty Bitty Kitty Firehouse Fun. Hi everyone, welcome back to another Read Aloud. Today we're going to be reading Itty Bitty Kitty Firehouse Fun by Joan Aloud, illustrated by James Brooks. It is a big day at the firehouse. Ava goes to visit. So does her cat. His name is Itty Bitty, but he's not Itty or Bitty. There are snacks for all in the firehouse. Eva gets a little snack. Itty Bitty gets a little snack. And another. Just right. Look, Eva sees something wiggle. What could it be? Now Itty Bitty sees something wiggle. What could it be? It is a tail that belongs to a firehouse dog. Meow, says Itty Bitty. Grrr, says the firehouse dog. The firehouse dog runs away. Does he want to play chase? Itty Bitty likes his game. The firehouse dog does not like it. Not one itty bitty bit. Off they go. Itty Bitty runs past hats, coats, and boots. Where is that firehouse dog? Is he up here? Is he down there? Itty Bitty goes down. Itty Bitty gets stuck. Oh, Itty Bitty, you're too big, says Ava. Itty Bitty does not think he's too big. He thinks the hole is too small. Hey, there's that dog again. It zooms after it. Oops, they bump a button. Crash. Firefighters hear the alarm. They run over. But there's no real fire. The firehouse dog howls. Itty Bitty howls. Oh, Itty Bitty, says Ava. Now firefighter Smitty shows them how to stay safe if there's a real fire. When smoke goes up, you go down. Firefighter Smitty tells them. Itty Bitty and the firehouse dog learn to be safe too. If your clothes catch fire, stop, drop, and roll. Itty Bitty and the dog stop, drop, and roll. Now Ava and Itty Bitty say goodbye. Ava made a new friend today. Itty Bitty made a new friend too. Itty Bitty, what a kitty. The end. Hi friends. I hope you liked this book, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye!